Is your money stuck in neutral? Credit Karma Money to the rescue? Alright everyone, raise your hand if you've ever dreamt of hitting the gas on your savings goals, but felt stuck in neutral instead. Let's face it, building a healthy savings stash can be a real uphill battle. Between bills, unexpected expenses, and that latte habit that's a little too strong, seeing your savings account grow can feel impossible. But what if there was a way to give your savings a turbo boost? That's where Credit Karma Money enters the scene. They've made a name for themselves in the credit monitoring world, but now they're offering a high-yield savings account. So, is Credit Karma Money the secret weapon you need to finally shift your savings into high gear? Let's buckle up and find out. First things first, a high-yield savings account is basically a souped-up version of your regular savings account. It works the same way. You park your money there, and the bank pays you interest on it. But with a high-yield savings account, that interest rate is significantly higher. We're talking about earning real returns on your cash, not just chump change. Now, Credit Karma Money boasts a pretty impressive annual percentage yield, APY, on their savings account. That's the fancy term for the interest rate you'll earn. We're talking rates that are definitely competitive in today's market. But hold on a sec, before we hit the brakes and jump ship to Credit Karma Money, there's more to consider than just a good interest rate. Let's talk about the features. Credit Karma Money shines with its complete lack of fees. No monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements. That's a win for anyone trying to keep every penny they earn. Plus, your money is FDIC insured up to a whopping $5 million. That means even if the bank were to face financial difficulty, your cash is protected by the government. Now that's peace of mind you can bank on. Here's another cool feature. Credit Karma Money integrates seamlessly with their credit monitoring service. So, you can check your credit score and manage your savings all in one place. Convenience is king, right? Alright, so Credit Karma Money seems to be ticking a lot of the right boxes. Competitive interest rates, no fees, FDIC insurance, and a user-friendly platform. But is there a catch? Well, like any good financial decision, there are a few things to keep in mind. For starters, Credit Karma Money is an online-only bank. That means there are no physical branches to visit if you prefer that face-to-face banking experience. Additionally, Credit Karma Money currently only offers a savings account. So, if you're looking for a checking account with all the bells and whistles, you might need to look elsewhere. Another factor to consider is access to your money. Credit Karma Money uses a network of partner banks to hold your deposits. While you can easily transfer money in and out electronically, it's important to be aware of any potential transfer times or limitations. Finally, remember that interest rates can fluctuate. The sky-high APY you see today might not be the same rate tomorrow. So, it's always a good idea to stay informed and compare rates across different banks to make sure you're getting the best deal. So, is Credit Karma Money right for you? Well, that depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're looking for a high-yield savings account with a user-friendly platform, no fees, and FDIC insurance, then Credit Karma Money is definitely worth considering. However, if you value the convenience of a physical branch or need a more comprehensive checking account, you might want to explore other options. The key takeaway here is to do your research, compare features and rates, and choose a savings account that best suits your financial situation. With Credit Karma Money or any other bank, the important thing is to take control of your finances and start putting your money to work for you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.